Ciao Tesla people. Today I'm going to do a charge at the Supercharger here in Florence, and we'll do the Supercharger Talk number 2. We'll discuss what happened in the Tesla world in the past 2-3 weeks, and let's see how it goes. Hopefully there is nobody at the Supercharger like last time. Actually, the navigator told me that there were 2 people. When I got there, there were 0, so pretty cool. Anyway, let's go to the supercharger and I'll catch you in a bit. So I'm at the supercharger here in Florence, and let's do the charging. Let's see how it goes. There are 2 people. And here, blue, 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 blue. It's pretty cool. There is a Model Y dark silver charging, and green. Okay, great, fantastic. Let's get it in. It's raining. And let's see, it's ramped it up and it's charging 114.15. I'm at 36%. I'm going to charge until 85%, and it's charging 109. That's strange. Should be much higher. And there is nobody beside me, so I don't know. Charge cable disconnected. Okay. Let's see what's going on. Unable to charge. Let's try again. Otherwise I have to change to this other one. Green. Let's see if it starts now. Otherwise I have to change. First time it happened to me at the supercharger. 112 kilowatts, 113. Okay. 112. Okay. 109. So it's charging. Okay. Well, it's charging. First time it happened to me that a supercharger was had some kind of issue, but it's not a big deal because it started again. So pretty good. It's charging 108 kilowatt. And let's see, charging. Okay. Price is 0.46 euro cents per kilowatt hour, and it's charging now. I don't know, maybe I didn't plug it correctly, but it was green. I don't know, whatever. So let's do the Supercharge Talk number 2. And I put some topics. Excuse me. So what happened in the past 2-3 weeks since last Supercharge Talk? So there was not an accident. Actually, it was they put on fire some transformer in the Giga Berlin factory in Germany, and the factory stopped for about 1 week, I think. So that was weird. There are some police involved and all that stuff, but the factory is back online, so they restarted production. I don't know. People just I have nothing to do. I don't know what I don't know what to say. Then what else? Some other news. Better news. Okay, new Roadster. So Musk announced that there will be a new Roadster uh, at at the end of the 2024. There will be an event, and the release is for 2025. Now this car was supposed to come out in 2020, I think, if I'm not mistaken. Anyway, the shocking announcement is that this car, with the Tesla plus SpaceX package, would do less than 1 second, 0 to 100 kilometers an hour. Now, at that speed, you're around 3, 4, or 5 Gs. So I'm not sure regular people can drive this car, because if you're not trained, you can pass out. So, so we'll see what's going to be. It's going to be interesting what solution they figure out to do less than 1 second, but that's going to be interesting. Now, in North Europe, there was a new Model Y refresh. It wasn't really the refresh that everybody are waiting for, but it was a Model Y without the seats in the back. And they had, the doors were there, but no seats. And most likely were some model for some businesses that they wanted to use for carry stuff and things, and so they didn't want the back seats, which makes sense. So it's interesting. What else? The two-seater, okay. And then the new Model Y refresh is going to happen in 2025, not this year as everyone wished. But that's okay. Model Y is relatively new, so, and still the most sold car in the world of all cars, including ICE car. And then there was a nice change. I think this is only in the US applies. Basically, if you have a Tesla that has a 2170 battery and something wrong happened to the battery during the warranty period, Tesla will swap this battery with the LFP, and they will do a bunch of other maintenance, including in the swap. This is interesting. So basically, they're saying that you can upgrade the battery package to a different chemistry, basically. That's cool, because maybe they'll offer in the future, like, you get to 10 years and you want to add a new battery. Maybe they propose a much longer um, kilometers or miles with the better battery, and they charge you for an upgrade. That will be cool. Oh, and finally, now there'll be, it's coming out in these days, a new software update, which is the 2024.8.3, and they will add a bunch of features, but the most important one, matrix lights. So I have matrix lights, but they're not enabled. Finally, they're going to enable those, and it's going to improve the safety on the road. Basically, matrix lights are the ones that, if you have high beams and someone is coming towards you at night, they are able to dim low the lights towards that car, but keep the high beam everything everywhere else. So that's going to be cool. And of course, there will be a software update, the 2024.8.3. There'll be a bunch of new features. I think there are 6 or 7, at least the ones that we know. As usual in software updates, there are a bunch of features that are undocumented and some that are, you know, everybody knows about it. The undocumented ones we'll discover later on when people get the update and they'll figure out the new things. But the most important thing on them is going to be the matrix lights update. It is everywhere, Europe for sure. The Highland Model 3 Highland already got those changes, so I'm waiting for those because it improves safety during driving. So anyway, so these are the Supercharger Talk number 2. Yeah, pretty much those are the news for these past 2 weeks. Let me know if you want me to talk about something specific or if you like this just a snippet of news around the Tesla world. I'm just trying to do different things on the channel. And please subscribe to the channel, put a like. It will help me a lot. I can tell you that today I'm going to release a new video of new accessories for the wheels. I got some covers for the wheels, I guess, with a new company. So I'm going to release the video probably later today or tomorrow. Okay, so check it out. Subscribe. In the meantime, I'm at 25 minutes remaining, 55%, and it's charging 100 kilowatts. Good. So I don't know what was the hiccup before, but everything is working correctly. Beside me, there are other 2 Teslas. They're charging. There is 2 Model Ys, one white like mine, and a silver one, that one, which is pretty cool. A nice color. Anyway, we'll see you when I'm finished to charge. Okay. Cool. It's done. 85%. Spent 18 euros and 77 cents. And that's it. Pretty cool. Nice. That was quick too. Done. Very cool. So, beside the first hiccup, everything else went good. I charged at 85%, so I have charge to do some road trips. Anyway, I'm going to leave my Tesla referral in the description. If you use my Tesla referral, you can get up to 3 months of free FSD, and there are a bunch of other new features that Tesla implemented, which is pretty cool. Also, I have all the accessories that I installed on my Tesla Model Y, and I'm going to have one coming video probably tonight or tomorrow. So check it out. Please leave it a like, subscribe, turn on notification if you're already subscribing, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao, Tesla people.